we learned the trigonometric ratio of the sum and the difference of the two angles, and we learned very good formulas also. And now based on that we need to solve here question is saying if sine of A is 3/5 and cosine of B is 9/41, and here it is saying that the sine of A, the angle A is between 0 to 90 degree. It means it falls in the first quadrant, and same here the angle B is also between 0 to 90 degree. All right, it means they falls in the first quadrant. It means all the values of sine and cosine is positive. All right, that's it they want to say here. And now find the values for the sine of A plus B, sine of A minus B, cosine of A plus B, and cosine of A minus B. So what we need here, we need sine A, cos B, and we need sine B, and we need cos A also. All right, so first let's write, all right, the given things. We have here sine A, and that's equals to 3/5. So from here easily you can find out cos A, and which is actually 1 minus sine square A. This is the identity that we had learned in early stage. All right, so I'm going to just put 1 minus 3/5 whole square, and I'm going to get here now it will be 1 minus, right, this will be 9/25, and if we solve it we'll get 25 minus 9, that's going to be 16/25. You might not be understanding, I'm taking steps fast. 25 minus 9/25. All right, so the finally 25 minus 9, that's going to be 16/25. all right, and that's going to be 4/5. So we got our cos A as a 4/5. And now one more thing we have got, that is cos B. All right, so our cos B is given as a 9/41. all right, so therefore we can find out sine B, and the sine will be just sine B will be just 1 minus cos square B inside the root, and it's going to be 1 minus 9/41 whole square. All right, and it's going to be 1 minus 81 divided by square of the 41. For this I need to use the calculator. Square of the 41 is 41 times 41. I'm gonna get 1681. All right, it's 1681. all right, so it's going to be 1681 minus 81 divided by 1681. all right, and it's going to be, now let me subtract 81 from 1681. I'm going to get 1600. all right, 1600 over 1681, and the finally 1600 is actually the square of 40, and 1681 is the square of 41. all right, so we got the sine A also, sine B also, right, and cos A also, cos B also, everything we get. And now let's go to the directly to the answer to find out the answer. All right, so here our question, first question is sine of A plus B, and the formula for the sine of A plus B, let me write here sine of A minus B also, so it will be better to understand both together. all right, sine of A minus B, the formula for the sine A plus B. Now see here, it's very easy. For the sine, everything we have positive, you know, for the positive, for the I mean, if we have here positive, then the term will be also positive. I'm going to say here it will be sine A cos B plus, here we have plus, so it will be here plus. all right, sine B cos A. But if you look here, you know, just here is minus, and this plus will be just replaced by minus. That's it, and rest of these all are same. all right, so it will be here again sine A cos B minus, all right, sine B cos A. That's it. And now let's put the values and get the answer. That's it. So let's put the values of sine A and sine everything. all right, so the values for the sine A recently, yeah, sine A is already given, that's 3/5, and cos B we recently no, it is given here 9/41. now plus sine B and cos A. Sine B and cos A we recently find out. Sine B value we got 40/41. all right, 40/41 times, and the value for the cos A we recently had find out here 4/5, so it's 4/5. And now let's take the LCM here, 541, so 5 times 41, that's gonna be 5 for the 205. all right, so it's going to be 205. And now 3 times 9, that is 27, and this 4 times 4, that is 160. all right, so our final answer is 60 plus this is 87, it will be, so 187 divided by 205. So that's our answer for the sine of A plus B. all right, and now for the sine of A minus B, here will be just subtraction, you know. here the sign will be just changed by minus. All right, that's it, and no more difference. So it's going to be 3 by 5 times again 9 by 41. All right, sine A cos B minus sine B times cos A, and cos A is again 4 by 5. So it's going to be again, and the LCM will be same 205, and this will be 27 minus 160. 27 minus 167, 10 minus 7, 3, 133, right, minus 133 divided by 205. So this is our answer for sine of A minus B. All right, and now let's try to find out the value for the cosine of A plus B and cosine of A minus B. And the formula for the cosine of A minus B and cosine of A plus B I want to write together: cosine of A minus B and cosine of A plus B. If we compare and write, it will be easier to remember every time. All right, see here the formula for the cosine of A minus B. Whenever we have minus, we'll write plus, and when we have plus, we'll write minus, like this. Cos A cos B, and now here we have minus, so it will be a plus. All right, so it will be sine A times sine B. And if you look at here, now we have plus here, so we'll write minus there. All right, so it's going to be cos A cos B, and now plus, so it will be minus sine A sine B. All right, so let's put all the values now. Cos A cos B. All right, we know the value of cos A, also we know the value of cos B also. Cos A value we have got 4 by 5. We have recently found out 4 by 5. All right, and cos B is given 9 by 41, so it's 4 by 5 and 9 over 41, and then plus. All right, sine A we know, and we know sine B also. Sine A is 3 by 5, and sine B we had find out 40 over 41. All right, 40 over 41, that's our sine B we had find out. So it's 40 over 41. Now let's take the LCM of 5 times 41, that's 205. All right, now 4 times 9, that is 36, and now 4 times 3, that's 120. All right, so 36 times 20, that's going to be 156, and over 205. All right, so this is our answer for the cosine of A minus B. And now for the cosine of A plus B, just the sign will be changed. The plus will convert to minus, that's it, and rest of these all are same. So cos A, that is 4 by 5, and cos B, that is 9 over 41, and sine A, that is 3 over 5, and the sine B is 4 over 41, 4 over 41. All right, so it's going to now again 36 minus 120 divided by 205. So 36 minus 120. All right, let me do 36 minus 120, that's 36 minus 120, that's minus 84. All right, that's minus 84. So 36 minus 120, 10 minus 6, that's 4, and 11 minus 3, that's 8. So 84 divided by 205, and it's minus, and that's our answer. This is how we need to find out all the values for the sine of A plus B, sine of A minus B, cosine of A plus B, cosine of A minus B. Means you need first all the value of sine A, you need sine B, you need cos A, you need cos B. All right, so you need to always find out the values, all the values, all right, from given values by using simple identities. All right, I hope you understand. A lot of questions you need to deal related to this. All right, and if there is any confusion in this video, in this explanation, then please feel free to comment below this video. All right, I really appreciate to hear something from your side. I really feel happy. All right, and if there is other similar type of the questions you may have to ask, then you can send me the message. All right, I will try to make the videos on that. Catch you in the next video with next concept. Goodbye.